Hello guys, here is Joe Networks with you in another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to discuss with you about how to create multiple VLANs, or how to create VLANs on multiple switch. So I have here in this in the previous video I showed you how to create a VLANs in only a single switch, and here's the network for the previous video. And now I have added this just a single link here, which is this link to access another switch. So I'm going to just create a VLAN first. So I'm going to into CLI, and I will do the same things that I have did in the previous video. So I'm going to type here config, and then VLAN 10, and I will name it HR exit, and then also VLAN 20, and I will name it as marketing exit, and I will give it an IP address. I will give an IP address for the VLANs. So VLAN 10, the IP address will be 192.168. Sorry for that, IP address 192.168.10.1, and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. no shutdown, do WR exit, and then also the same things for the another VLAN, for the VLAN 20, and then IP address 192.168.20.1, 255.255.255.0, then do WR exit, and I will just access the ports for the VLAN. So interface FA0/1, switch port mode access, and then switch port access VLAN 10, because it's for VLAN 10, and I discussed with you about that in the previous topic, so I do it now faster. And then also exit interface VLAN 20. No, just sorry for that, I already give an IP address for VLAN 20. So I'm going into interface FA0/2, and it's switch port mode access, then switch port access VLAN 20, then do WR to save that exit. And what I want to show you here, that how to connect these two switch together. So I'm going to use something it's called an trunk port. So I'm going into that port. So I am now in this switch. I'm in this switch now. So I will give trunk port for FA0/3. So let me show you that. Interface FA0/3, and then I will give it an switch port mode trunk, then do WR. Also the same things on this switch. I will give an IP address for that. Sorry, it's a trunk port, so I'm going to type config, and then interface, and let me check the number of the port, FA0/5, and then switch port mode trunk, do WR. So I already now configured these all network, these two switch together, and I configured the VLANs. So I will give an IP address for the PCs. So I will give these two PCs an IP address to be able to connect to these PCs in other VLAN switch. So I'm going to give this an IP address, which is 192.168.10.4, and here I will give 192.168.10.1, which is the IP address of the VLAN. And here I'll give the same things, which is 192.168.20.4, and this is the subnet mask and the IP address of the VLAN. Okay, so let me test the network now. So let me explain something to you. I said that in the previous video that only the VLANs can communicate with each other, but VLAN 10 cannot communicate with VLAN 20. So let me show that. If I can connect, did I have a ping or communication between VLAN 10 in the first switch and the VLAN 10 in the second switch? So I get successful, so it's able to ping these two VLANs in different switch. And also in VLAN 20 here, I can ping also the VLAN 20 in the other switch. And that's all today. Thank you very much. Please subscribe on my channel, and if you need more video on that parts of networking, programming or other things, please let me know in the comment. Thank you very much.